fun. Hello, everybody. My name is Lauren. I am with Sweats in the City, and today we are talking about Instagram. We are talking about how to use Instagram without Instagram using you. So social media is huge, especially for small businesses. It is a free platform where you can advertise your services. Which is awesome. And today I just want to go through some things to make sure that we're staying consistent with that and using it to your benefit and planning it and addressing some of the struggles that you may have. So a couple problems that I see with people using Instagram and social media. Today we're going to talk mostly about Instagram is one, not being consistent enough, not posting enough, being a little bit all over the place, going on Instagram, seeing what everyone else is talking about, getting time sucked into Instagram, and maybe you just end up feeling bad about yourself one way or another. I know I've experienced that. I've been on Instagram for a long time. I've gone in waves of being consistent and non-consistent. I do find that it is a benefit to my business, and I find that I may not have exploded on Instagram, but I have made good relationships with people, and it is a representation of your brand. And so they say that people won't buy directly off Instagram, but it will influence buyers when they're making the decision. So I like to think of it as an inside scoop into your company, what's going on, into you, and it is a great use to represent your brand, which may influence the buyer's decision, which is what we want. We want buyers making decision, and that decision is to hire you. Okay, so today I'm going to show you two tools that I use to plan my Instagram. Both of them are free. One of them I use for big things, and one I just use for Instagram. So we're going to hop into that now. Okay. So the first program that I use is called Asana, and it is a project management software that lives on the cloud, so you log into it online. If you have a team or you want to hire a virtual assistant, you can jump in or share your login information with them, and they can jump in there, take that information, and use it however you set that up with that person. So I've set it up kind of like as boards, like this. You can see on my screen. I don't know why I'm using my hands. On the one side, I have ideas. So this month, I'm going to be talking all about consistency. So any idea that comes to mind or I find it on the internet, then I put it into the ideas column. And then from there, I have my Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, all the way across. And this is just a suggestion. You don't have to plan it exactly this way. If it doesn't get followed, at least your ideas are getting put somewhere, and you can take those ideas and put it somewhere else for consistency. And so on Mondays, I want to talk about productivity, having a plan, using a coach. Tuesdays, I want to talk about statistics, so anything that I find online that's like an actual fact base that I want to share. Wednesdays, motivational tip. Tuesdays, website tip. And Fridays, a fitness tip. So all of these will have the overlying thing or overlying idea of consistency, and then in each one I can kind of plan out my week of how I want it somewhat to look. Of course, this can change. You don't have to not post like spontaneously on Instagram, because I really like that. If you're out somewhere having a healthy pizza, or you're doing a fitness class with a friend and you want to help promote that gym you're on. So you don't have to follow this to a T. If something happens in your life that's current and you want to post it, absolutely post it. This is just so that it can help you stay consistent, because you want to be posting at least every day on social media with value. And so if that value is something off of your pre-planned stuff, or the value is some sharing or entertaining and letting someone see a sneak peek into your life, either are good. You just want to show up and represent your brand. And so here I can kind of plan it, put ideas. I write things down all the time, so then I can put them into the ideas, and then from here you can just drag and drop wherever it may go. So you make it consistent with your brand. A lot of these are going to go under productivity. You may find that you change your ideas on the top. Everything is changeable, but at least you have a direction and somewhere to organize thoughts, which is what I need. thoughts organized. Okay, so from here you have all your content. You can also put pictures in here or links and anything you want. Anything can go in here. And then the other software that I use is Planoly. And so there's a lot of different types of planning Instagram software that you can use. Some are free and a lot of them are free and a lot of them have a paid upgrade. With Planoly, I just use the free version because for me, it does what I need it to do. So it's really cool, and I've compared a couple and I still like Planoly the best. So at the bottom, if you see on the left-hand side where my cursor is over here, it's the post that I've already posted, and I can see what has done well, what has commented. They say that pictures of you will do best, looking at the camera smiling, will do the best. Five Joys is really popular, but they all kind of has a consistent look. I've gone a little bit off looks, but as you can see up here, I've pre-made quotes and I'm putting those in there. And so, let's see, we will use, so in order to plan it, you can see what you've done, then you can pick something else. So we'll go here, this one, I am going to drag and drop to Thursday where I want to plan it, and then this will pop up. And so from here, you can go back to your other one, pick something that you want. These haven't been actually planned out. It's just content that I found that I'm going to put my own spin on it. Consistent with your brand. Here we go, we'll use something like this. And so, this is a bad example. I'm totally bombing live right now, but at least I don't have spelling mistakes. So something with consistent with your brand, talking about how you've seen, how your experience with being consistent has seen benefits for your company. So that's just something I would write here. You can plan the day. This is my most favorite part, so you hit the little hashtag, and here I have saved hashtag groups. So this for me saves a lot of time. So this is fitnessy, so I'd add that in. Or maybe it's not, it's fitnessy. We'll say it is. So fitness, all my fitness hashtags come up there, and then I can save it and it will automatically post to Instagram. So that's the other big time saver, is that you could have posts going to Instagram every day at, we'll say 3 p.m. and then that would post it. I would recommend, if you're going to do that, go onto the insights on your Instagram app and see when your audience is most on Instagram, and it will show you in there a little time thing, and I can show that too in another video actually. But you want to use the data to your best advantage, so you're not like throwing things out there all the time. You want to take the data and plan it out and be consistent. And so this is just on the large bubble of your brand and your marketing, and we want to get people working down into buying from you. And so if you know what you're selling, you're going to work backwards and then create all of this content on the outer level in relation to this, so that you kind of pique people's interest here and bring them down into the center. And that is the big plan of everything. And so yeah, that is all I am sharing today. Thank you for watching. If you have questions or you like this, please give this a thumbs up. If you really like this, I am going to post the replays to my Webpage bootcamp in the link below. You can log into the free membership site, check out those videos, and get that homework. Yeah, so thanks for watching. My name is Lauren with Sweats in the City, and I will be live again next week with more tips for you. Thank you.